Right, here's another good question. It says, find the zeros of polynomial and state multiplicities of each. So to find the zeros, you let f of x equals 0. And then you have to solve this equation. Now, usually what you have to do when we have these, it's like 0 equals, say, x squared plus 5x plus 6. And then you factor that. And then you let each of those factors equal 0. But this one is already factored, so you don't have to do that whole factoring step. So what you can do is just set each factor equal to 0. So this one is a factor, so 2 equals 0. Now to deal with that one right away, it doesn't equal 0, so it's a false one. I can forget about that one. But the next one I have x plus 8, and then another x plus 8. I'm just going to rewrite these. And then an x minus 8, an x minus 8, and x minus 8, right? Because there's 3 of them, and then there's 2x plus 8s. So set each of those equal to 0. X plus 8 is 0, x plus 8 is 0. And you're probably thinking, why are you doing all this? You could just, you know what the answer is already. But to solve each equation, I'll subtract 8, add 8, add 8, add 8. So the zeros of my polynomial are negative 8. So the zeros are negative 8 and positive 8. And negative 8, since there's 2 of them, I would say it has a multiplicity of 2. And 8, there's 3 of them, so I'd say it has a multiplicity of 3. Then, just to sort of take it one step more, we said that polynomials of multiplicity of 2, they bounce on the axis. And if it's an odd multiplicity, they go through. So I could sort of graph this. So I have a minus 8 here and a positive 8 over there. This is positive, and it's an odd polynomial because 2 plus 3 is 5. So the highest degree would be 5. So it's going to start low and end up going high. So at negative 8, since there's a multiplicity of 2, it'll come up and bounce off of that and come back down. And then it'll come back up to this one. Since the multiplicity is 3, it bends through that one. So it does a little bend and goes up like that. And now let's just, for fun, let's graph it and see what it looks like. Okay, decimals. So I'm going to say y is equal to 2. I don't really need the 2 there, but it won't change it much. Whoops. 2 bracket x plus 8 bracket, and I have to square that one. And then a new bracket, x minus 8 bracket, and I have to cube that one. There. Okay, so let me zoom out and see what this thing looks like. Does it look anything like what I had? Hopefully. Oh, there. Yeah, whoops. Okay. Here I'm zooming out. There. There you can see that looks a little bit better. There, so you can see it touches the graph at negative 8 and bounces back. And then at a positive 8, it has the bend and goes through. So it looks just like my graph. Okay, maybe my graph's a little bit prettier, but it's close. Hopefully that helps you.